Hey everyone, it's Aaron from Motech Space. I wasn't originally planning to make this video, but today happens to be the third birthday of Motech Space, so I decided to make this quick and dirty unscripted video. This is the first unscripted video on the channel. It's something I've been wanting to do because I want to make it more like I'm talking to you guys instead of robotically talking to the camera. So we'll see how it goes. So first of all, thank you guys so much for all your support over the past 3 years. It really means a lot, and I never thought my channel would get this big in just 3 years. Next, we'll talk about the thumbnail. So, yeah, that's me with Joe Barnard. That was at the Open Sauce event in San Francisco, and that was really cool. You can see I'm wearing the Open Sauce shirt right now. So yeah, me and Joe, he gave me some tips on TVC, and he also signed my nose cone and TVC mount. And over here, that's Charlie Garcia. That's his friend, if you don't know. So yeah, let's talk about TVC for a little bit. If you haven't been following those shorts I've been uploading over the past few weeks, there's really been a lot of progress since the last video 2 months ago. You should definitely check out those videos. Another thing I've been working on is the AV bay. It's not the neatest AV bay, but it works. So over the past week, I've been working on PID loops, PID control, and today actually a propeller, an RC plane propeller and motor are supposed to arrive, and I'm going to use that to simulate a motor firing in this mount, and I hope to be static firing that in the next few weeks to tune the PID values, the gains. And then after that, we might do a few test launches in the next few months. I'm not sure exactly what motor we're going to use because we're going to simulate using a G8 motor with the RC plane motor, but I have some E9 motors. The problem with that is just the slightest difference in mass or center of gravity is going to throw off our whole PID system. So I haven't decided that yet. The G8 isn't great for the first test because it's super expensive and it's probably not going to work. So we'll see about that. The RC motor test unfortunately won't be starting until 2 weeks from now because I'll be going on vacation tomorrow. So I guess it's not super unfortunate. I'm really excited to go on vacation, and it's a well-needed vacation too because TVC has been stealing countless hours of sleep from my nights, so it'll be good to get that off my mind for a week. Next, let's talk about some other non-TVC projects that I'm working on. So first is my L1 rocket. I ordered a Zephyr rocket from Apogee. So we're going to complete the Zephyr family. If you don't know, I built the Zephyr the third rocket in January, I think, and I have the Zephyr Junior rocket from Apogee. So now I'm building the Zephyr, so we'll have the complete Zephyr family. I haven't worked on it a lot. I only have the motor mount now, but I hope to get my L1 maybe in December when my club opens back up. Another project is ARC, or TARC, the American Rocketry Challenge, whatever you want to call it. This is a challenge done every year where high school teams fly eggs on rockets to a certain target altitude for a certain target flight time, and whoever gets the closest wins. So my team, one of my team members is Walter from DIY Aerospace. Me and Walter are kind of frenemies at this point because we're both working on TVC, and we're kind of racing each other for who's gonna finish TVC first. So let's make it kind of official. Walter, I challenge you to a TVC race. Place your bets in the comments. Anyway, that's it for now. See you later.